See beyond the apparent. Dare yourself to be in love, just to feel a whole universe behind every scene. Here and now is a time for you to realize your inner powerful divine, the power of dying and reborn in your own choice of life. I invite you to be infinite, to feel the power of being goddess, the privilege of creating life and spreading wholeness. Allow yourself to be the incarnation of Mother Earth, the giver, the one who in wise silence makes space to see the invisible, to be the highest, purest spiritual channeler. Renew your patterns, create a new ladder towards your completeness. Here and now, you are the safest place to be. Be free, be the light this world needs. Come, loosen your body and move with passion, with ease. Life is what you want to make of it. Make it be peaceful and receive the supreme wisdom. Movement is waiting for you. Move your body, move yourself, reconnect and observe yourself grow.